What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got Ghost here today, and we're gonna be talking about his new power setup and how he feels about it. So let's jump into it. All right, guys. So my brother Rob recently did the full Grimmspeed Stage 2 package, and it did come with, you know, the new Grimmspeed version 2 Jpipe, Mark of Innovations intake, and the Grimmspeed electronic boost controller. You know, obviously you do need a dyno tune for all these mods. You know, this is a great freaking mod setup. Shout out to Grimmspeed, by the way. It sounds awesome, it runs awesome. You know, he does have the IEG air oil separator, you know, just for reliability reasons, you know, keep it running healthy. And you know, he did get a dyno tune, like I said. It made about 280 to the wheels, which is freaking awesome on this setup. So let's get some clips of him ripping this thing. And he does have the Tomei TI Extreme, so let's get some sound clips. All right, guys, so let's hop in this thing and go for a drive. Yeah, Rob. On this setup, it's just next level shit. The camera might not even be doing it justice. You can feel it. I'm sitting in the back seat and you can just feel it going through your ass. Oh, oh. See? It sounds great.
It's awesome. It literally runs through your ass.
Right.
To the bottom, so.
Downshift is pops. You can control it really well, like on command, huh? All right, guys, so this was my brother Rob's 2020 WRX on the Stage 2 full Grimmspeed power package. Like I said, with the IEG AOS and the dyno tune, pushing about 280 to the wheels, making great power on a healthy setup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do it all up. Thanks for watching. Subi fam out.